Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the hard words of your lesson 4, the United Nations. All of you open lesson 4 notes, the United Nations. The UNITED, United, NATIONS, the United Nations. See the hard words. Destructive, DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. Second one, determined. DETERMINED, determined. DETERMINED, determined. DETERMINED, determined. Third one is universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. Next one is founding. FOUNDING, founding. FOUNDING, founding. Next one, harmonizing. HARMONIZING, harmonizing. HARMONIZING, harmonizing. Destructive, determined, universal, founding, harmonizing. Sixth one, accordance. ACCORDANCE, accordance. ACCORDANCE, accordance. ACCORDANCE, accordance. Seventh one, weapons. WEAPONS, weapons. WEAPONS, weapons. WEAPONS, weapons. Eighth one, headquarter. HEADQUARTER, headquarter. HEADQUARTER, headquarter. Ninth one is discussions. DISCUSSIONS, discussions. DISCUSSIONS, discussions. Tenth one is sanctions. SANCTIONS, sanctions. SANCTIONS, sanctions. Again I am going to repeat hard words, children, you to read along with me. Destructive, destructive. Destructive. Determined, determined, determined. Universal, universal, universal. Founding, founding, founding. Harmonizing, harmonizing, harmonizing. Accordance, accordance, accordance. Weapons, weapons, weapons. Headquarter, headquarter, headquarter. Discussions, discussions, discussions. Sanctions, sanctions, sanctions. Next, meanings, children. See the first one. Devastating. DEVASTATING, devastating. Devastating means damaging. DAMAGING, damaging. Devastating means damaging. Second one is harmony. HARMONY. Harmony means agreement. 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 Harmony means agreement. Third one is cooperation. Cooperation means working together. Cooperation means working together. Fourth one is threats. THREATS. Threats means something that causes trouble. SOMETHING. Something that causes trouble. 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 Threats means something that causes trouble. Fifth one is attainment. ATTAINMENT. Attainment means achieving goals. ACHIEVING. Achieving goals. Attainment means achieving goals. Sixth one is endangered. ENDANGERED. Endangered means put someone in danger. Put someone in danger. Seventh one is consensus. CONSENSUS. Consensus means a general agreement. GENERAL. General. AGREEMENT. Agreement. Consensus means a general agreement. Again, I am going to repeat meanings, children. You to read along with me. Devastating means damaging. Harmony means agreement. Cooperation means working together. Threats means something that causes trouble. Attainment means achieving goals. Endangered means put someone in danger. Consensus means a general agreement. Next, fill in the blanks. See the first one, children. The United Nations was founded on dash in the year 1945. So, when does the United Nations formed? The United Nations was formed on 24th October. It was founded on 24th October 1945. Second one. The UN has dash members. The United Nations has 51 members. The United Nations has 51 members. Third one. The UN has dash organs. The United Nations has 6 organs. Fourth one. UNICEF stands for dash. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. Fifth one. FAO stands for dash. FAO stands for Food and Agricultural Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization. Children, again I am going to repeat hard word. Fill in the blanks, children. You to read along with me. The United Nations was founded on 24th October 1945. The United Nations has 51 members. The UN has 6 organs. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. FAO stands for Food and Agricultural Organization. So these are the fill in the blanks, meanings and hard words, children. Once go through the video 2 to 3 times and you have to write hard words, meanings and fill in the blanks 2 times each in your homework books. Bye children. Thank you.